This is your typical monoclonal antibody downstream polishing process, and in particular, the anion exchange column chromatography step. What if we told you that you could replace your 80-liter bead-based chromatography AEX-Q chemistry column with a single 16-inch capsule? And that this 16-inch capsule has increased HCP clearance compared to your Q column, along with robust viral clearance and over 95% MAB recovery across a wide range of operating conditions. This is 3M Polisher ST. 3M Polisher ST is a single-use technology that is a cost-efficient option to replace the downstream AEX polishing column in many operating conditions in fed batch and/or continuous manufacturing processes for therapeutic recombinant proteins. Unlike a Q column that can be ineffective at HCP removal at lower pHs and higher conductivities, 3M Polisher ST has proven capabilities over a wide range of conditions. Recommended operating pH is from 5 to 7.5, and conductivity is from 3 to 20 millisiemens per centimeter. In addition, 3M Polisher ST provides robust viral clearance in both monovalent and polyvalent buffers across the same range of conditions. So, how does 3M Polisher ST accomplish this? The key is 3M's new proprietary guanidinium-based ligand that has salt-tolerant anion exchange capabilities. It actually mimics the amino acid arginine, a positively charged amino acid evolved by nature to bind the negatively charged carboxylic acids and proteins. 3M's new synthetic ligand and arginine share the same anion exchange functional group, guanidinium. Unlike other anion exchange ligands, guanidinium has the unique ability to form robust salt bridges, made up of both an electrostatic attraction and two hydrogen bonds with the carboxylic acid residues of proteins. Traditional Q chemistry cannot form these additional bonds and has trouble binding contaminants the closer you are to their isoelectric point. The more robust salt bridges formed using the new guanidinium-based chemistry help 3M Polisher ST to bind contaminants right up to their isoelectric point. The guanidinium ligand is functionalized onto a membrane and combined in the capsule with the same Q-functional non-woven used in our 3M M-Phase AEX hybrid purifier. The addition of the functional non-woven allows for robust operation even in solutions with turbidity. By implementing 3M Polisher ST, it becomes possible to compress the downstream process by removing the post-viral inactivation depth filter and membrane filter used for column protection. 3M Polisher ST is a small footprint, higher capacity solution for delivering higher purity and yield in the downstream polishing unit operation in a connected, continuous downstream operation for the flexible facility of the future. This allows a facility strategy that can overcome scale limitations and enable process compression for cost-efficient manufacturing to support the growing demand for biologics. 3M Polisher ST comes in a scalable range of sizes to fit your process needs from laboratory to scale-up to production. Superior performance, reduced processing steps all in a smaller footprint. This is 3M Polisher ST. This is 3M science applied to life. For more information or to purchase 3M Polisher ST, please visit us at 3m.com/bioprocessing.